Aviation pollution is harming aviation workers.
A new report released by Transport and Environment studied the health impacts of aircraft emissions on the communities living in the vicinity of Europe's 32 largest airports.
Not only do jet engines emit CO2 when they burn aviation fuel, but they also emit soot, which contains particles 1,000 times smaller than a human hair. These are called ultrafine particles, or UFPs.
The particles are so small that when they're breathed into your lungs, they can directly enter your bloodstream.
They're so small, they go through your eyes and into your brain.
The study showed that over 50 million people in Europe are exposed to dangerous pollution. This increases their risk of heart problems, cancers, and dementia.
Most at risk are those who live closest to airports, people from poor backgrounds, and those who work in and around airports. Aviation workers ourselves.
With airports expanding, emissions are rising, and so exposure of aviation workers to pollution constitutes an unquantified but serious risk to our health.
Aviation business leaders are doing nothing about it. UFPs remain largely under-researched and unregulated.
So what can we do about it?
One of the first steps the study concluded was to start monitoring UFPs in and around airports and create an EU jet fuel standard.
There are also a whole host of things we can be doing immediately to reduce pollution from aviation.
Like hydro-treating aviation fuel, much like we do for shipping and car fuels.
This will dramatically reduce the number of people exposed to UFPs and the dangerous health consequences that come with them.
Particularly for aviation workers.
Reducing pollution through operational procedures or selecting cleaner aircraft technology can also reduce the climate impact of aviation.
It's a win-win for aviation workers
and the climate.
We can make this change happen. Sign our petition and come to the online event with the authors of this Transport and Environment study.
Sign up via the link below.
Are you an aviation worker? We'd love to hear about your experiences of air pollution at work. Send us an email to info@safe-landing.org.
And sign up to our newsletter on our website, safe-landing.org.